Okay, in today's video, we are going to be finding out what is a landing page. And also we're going to find out why you actually need a landing page. So make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video and find out all the information you need about landing pages. So the first thing, what is a landing page? So a landing page is basically a standalone page that can be added to a website or a URL, but most of the time it sits alone on its own URL. And the purpose of the landing page is basically to get people to exchange their details for a benefit-driven solution that they are looking for. Okay, so what sort of things can you actually offer on a landing page? So there are various different things you can offer, numerous amount of things, but a few ideas here which could get you up and running are things such as ebooks, videos. You could do checklists, you could do reports, you could just give away graphics for argument's sake, PDFs, discount coupons as well. You could also do vouchers, that sort of thing. And you can offer obviously webinars as well. So those are just a few things that you can actually offer on your actual landing page, which will help get your customers to give you their details, which then means obviously you can then contact them and build a know and trust with your customer in the future. Landing pages are also known as squeeze pages, opt-in pages, lead capture pages, and even lead magnets. All of these names are very, very similar, but they all amount to the same thing, which is a landing page. Now, obviously, you need to optimize your landing page to get the best conversions you possibly can. And I'm going to go into the landing page design in another video. So make sure you obviously stay tuned to this channel. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell. You'll get notified when that video comes live. And I'm going to be doing that in the next few days. So thing is, why do you need a landing page? Okay, so why bother with all of this when there are several good reasons why you can benefit your business? So the first one is obviously building an email list. Now this will help build trust with your customers, as you would not only deliver them a gift but continue correspondence with them through email marketing. So this means that you could obviously then offer more gifts, more information, more great content, and also update them with anything within your niche. Of course, the second way is obviously to build brand awareness. So it's a great way of building a brand, building your brand awareness online. And this is obviously crucial to any business online. And then plus, once you've actually captured their details, you can then obviously have a targeted audience that you can then obviously sell products and offer similar products in the future. Now, like I say, we're not actually going to go too much into the design, etc. of this. Check out my videos and more on landing pages that I'm going to create very shortly. But if you have any questions about landing pages, just put them in the comments below here and I'll be only too happy to answer any questions. Okay, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out this video next. And obviously, if you haven't already, make sure you obviously give us a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.